What's up everyone? It's been a while since I did a vlog and here we are. We're about to head to the staff outing tonight. Alright, so about to head there before 8:30. And yeah, see you all there. Alright, back with the staff. Remember Trapper, everyone? He's still a legend. Here we got Brandon, Mina, yeah. Welcome. Yes, he's very excited. We got some of our staff here. Here we go again with the yes, okay. Good one. Yeah, there's Marwan and Tyler there. These two here. And yeah. I don't know everyone's names. I don't know their names though, it's fine. Get Natalia's name down. I used to call her Natalie. Natalie, I know that. Sorry, Natalia. And we got Sebastian here, the boy. The legend himself. What is up, man? Okay, yeah. Yeah, we're back. I have a new camera now, so... I think so too. Alright. So, it's time to move. I guess we're jamming out. Oh, here we go. Alright. We're going now for real this time. All right, so we just got here, Coulter and Sebastian in the back, and then we picked up Jocelyn. I know. What's up, girl? She took her sweet ass time. Yeah. She legit did though. Like we waited in the parking lot. She told me 8:40 at the SRC. You know when I was there? Like 8:35. You lied. It was not 8:41. I have a message that says on our way 8:41. No, and I was there at the time that she wanted, and she's like, "Oh, it just got. No, my class ended at 8:47." It's not true though, honestly. It was late by 7 minutes, honestly. But it's okay, you know, we're here now. Round one, fight! Okay, let's do this. Time to bowl the hell out of these people. I want to karaoke, guys. Come on, let's do it. Anyway, all right, here we are, round one. Fight! Just kidding. Anyway, last time I was here, I was with Angelica, Monica, and Stephanie, like last year, I believe. But the last one I went to was the one in Hacienda. Hey, what's up, everyone? We made it! All right, so yeah, we with the squad. Woo! What's up? Anyway, yeah, time to get the bowling ball. Hey, what's up, Tyler? It's you. Oh yeah. All right, it's time. Oh shoot, dude. So apparently we just push a button and then shoes come out. What size am I again? Oh, I'm 8.5, I think. Okay, so let's push one. Oh, sick, dude. That is awesome. Did you see that? Yeah, we are. So I have no idea. Let me see. Is that your vlog? Yeah, it is. Hey, what's up? World. Remember Marwan, everyone? Check out Blue Season _official on Instagram. We're pretty dope. Yeah, the link will be right here underneath his face. See it? Right here. Right there. All right. Follow this guy. He's really good. Oh, thanks, Ray. Yeah, I know. Appreciate the love, dude. I appreciate it. All right, let me put on these shoes. Now, there you go. Shoes on, ready to bowl. Woo. All right, so I'm in this lane. It's being set up. I don't know if you can see the names, but yeah. Anyway, I hope I win something because I usually don't win in these games. I'm not as good as them. Anyway, then you got this lane right here. Pretty sick. They look ready to go. Oh, yeah. And then, yeah, everyone just kind of buying stuff. Oh, dude, I need to buy my ice cream. That's what I'm doing. Woo! Okay, I wonder if they're in line. Wait, have you bought your ice creams yet? Have you? I guess not. Anyway, sorry, yeah. It's okay. I'm just gonna buy ice creams. Yeah. All right, so Brandon's about to throw. Ready, man? Okay, go throw that shit. All right. Miss. Oh, nice one, man. Nice. Yeah, I got you. Okay, I'm next. Witness this gold right here. Bar 1. Woo. Oh, sorry about that, Omar. Oh, what a loser. I'm just kidding, man. Good job. Man, you should have all seen it. It was great. I actually hit a spare. So, yeah, I'm doing pretty alright so far. And I'm so loud. Let's see. Everyone else is having some fun. This is the corner here. Alright, Coulter, Shri, go! Awesome, man. Awesome. Did Coulter hit one in? Oh, dude, you got one in. Yes. Okay, sweet time. Alright, since Jocelyn had to break the bowling ball cord over there, now I got to buy some $1 ice cream. Okay. Oh wow, you actually almost hit the strike there. Yeah, nice. Okay. So yeah. You only got 16. That would have been higher if you actually got the spare. No, you're done. You're done for. Okay. Apparently Trapper can beat that. Let's see if he can. Let's go, let's go. Come on. Back up your words. Just kidding. Oh, dang, dude. Got 9 of them. He showed you up, boy. Nice. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Oh, yeah. All right. Okay, ready? Go. Okay, I guess that's good. All right, so like Brandon kind of got wrecked by Trapper there for a few points, right? 3 points. Damn, boy. There's Hussein still getting the hit. Oh boy, that was close to a strike. Anyway, yeah, victory pose. You know what I'm saying? I think I won that last game. Well, technically I tied, but you know, hey, whatever. So yeah, it was fun stuff. Jocelyn and I are still finishing our fries, so it's pretty good.
I need to change my shoes.
Yeah, I also need to I don't have my J's that these things, you know what I'm saying? These are swag and all, but you know, they're not my J's. Alright, you already know what it is. It's staff photo time. Woo. Look, everyone is here. Yeah, trying to get all ready and stuff. Yeah, what's up everyone? Okay, it's time. Let's Alright, here we are, the karaoke room. Hosted by Omar. And then, yeah, we're just gonna sing some shit here. I cannot wait. Find the number, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
What you waiting for? Promiscuous girl, you're teasing me. You know what I want, and I got what you need. Promiscuous fun, let's get to the point, cause we all alone. You ready? Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm in the club with my homies, trying to get a little VI, keep it down in the low key. You know how I'm feeling. Only games you're spinning in my head, you think that you know me. Decided to okay, conversation, guys.
Hey, so I just realized 2 days later I forgot to end the vlog. Well, here's the end of the vlog. Anyway, I'm gonna try to make it more of a habit to vlog more because it is like gonna be the last quarter before I graduate, you know. Want to make these memories last. It's gonna be a great rest of the year. You already know what I'm saying. Oh, yeah, it's been really good lately. I really have, you know, appreciated everything that's been happening so far. Like, yeah, friends and family and all that. We're just kind of like chilling and all. But yeah, hopefully more stuff like this to come soon. Cause you know, bowling and karaokeing, that's some fun stuff. And I really want to hang out with more of the staff. Anyway, shout outs to everyone that was in the video. Jeffrey, I wish you were there, but you know, you're always gonna be in our what do you call that, arteries. Yeah, anyway, so I will see y'all next time, fam, for the next vlog. And yeah, stick around. Peace.